Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm happy today.
That's great. I'm happy too. Today, we will talk about feelings and emotions.
Oh, that's good. We can say how we feel.
Yes, we will learn how to say, I am happy, I am sad, I am tired, and many more. Let's learn some new words. Repeat after me. Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
angry,
angry,
tired,
tired,
excited,
excited,
scared,
scared,
surprised,
surprised,
bored,
bored,
hungry,
hungry,
thirsty.
thirsty.
Good job! Listener, now it's your turn. Repeat the words with Levent. Happy,
Happy,
sad,
sad,
angry,
angry,
tired,
tired,
excited,
excited,
scared,
scared,
surprised,
surprised,
bored,
bored,
hungry,
hungry,
thirsty.
thirsty.
Great work! To talk about how we feel, we say I am plus feeling.
I am plus feeling.
For example, I am happy.
I am happy.
I am sad.
I am sad.
I am tired.
I am tired.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm angry.
I'm angry.
Perfect. We can also say it short. I'm.
Oh, like I'm happy.
Yes, I'm happy, I'm tired, I'm hungry. Let's practice the short form. Repeat after me. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm angry.
I'm angry.
Great. How do we ask someone about their feelings? We say, how are you?
Oh, yes, that's a very common question.
Right. For example, how are you? I'm fine. How are you? I'm happy. How are you? I'm tired.
So simple and useful.
Yes. Let's practice together. How are you, Levent?
I'm good, and you?
I'm happy today. Listener, now it's your turn. How are you today? That's nice to hear. Let's talk about when we feel these emotions. When the sun is shining and it's a nice day, I'm happy.
I'm happy too.
When it's raining and cold, I'm sad.
I'm sad too.
When I play football, I'm excited.
When I eat ice cream, I'm excited.
When I work all day, I'm tired.
When I study too much, I'm tired.
When someone shouts, I'm angry.
When someone takes my food, I'm angry too.
That's a good example. Okay, listener, it's time to practice. I will say a situation. You say how you feel. It's your birthday.
I'm excited.
It's raining all day.
I'm sad.
You have a big test tomorrow.
I'm scared.
You didn't sleep last night.
I'm tired.
You get a gift from a friend.
I'm happy.
Wonderful job. Let's learn a few more feelings. Cold.
Cold.
I'm cold.
I'm cold.
Hot.
Hot.
I'm hot.
I'm hot.
Nervous.
Nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
Relaxed.
Relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
Listener, now you try to say it with Levent. Cold.
Cold.
I'm cold.
I'm cold.
Hot.
Hot.
I'm hot.
I'm hot.
Nervous.
Nervous.
I'm nervous.
I'm nervous.
Relaxed.
Relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
Wonderful. Let's do some small conversations.
Conversation 1.
Hi, Levent. How are you today?
I'm happy. The sun is shining.
Conversation 2.
How are you, Jennifer?
I'm tired. I worked all day.
Conversation 3.
Are you hungry, Levent?
Yes, I'm hungry and thirsty.
Conversation 4. You look angry.
Yes, I'm angry. My phone doesn't work.
Oh no. Take a deep breath.
Okay. I feel better now.
Good job. Listener, now let's practice one more time. Repeat after me slowly. I'm happy.
I'm happy.
I'm sad.
I'm sad.
I'm tired.
I'm tired.
I'm angry.
I'm angry.
I'm excited.
I'm excited.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry.
I'm thirsty.
I'm thirsty.
I'm scared.
I'm scared.
I'm bored.
I'm bored.
I'm relaxed.
I'm relaxed.
Great! You're doing amazing. Let's review what we learned today. Question: how are you?
Answer, I'm happy. I'm sad. I'm tired.
Feelings words: happy, sad, angry, tired, excited, scared, bored, hungry, thirsty, relaxed.
I remember all of them.
Wonderful!
Let's do one more conversation.
Hi, Levent. How are you today?
I'm happy and excited
Why are you excited?
because I'm learning English.
That's the best reason. I'm happy too.
English is so much fun with you, Jennifer.
Thank you. And it's fun with you too, Levent. Today, we learned about feelings and emotions, how to say, I'm happy, I'm sad, and more.
Yes, now I can talk about how I feel.
Excellent. Next time, we will learn about clothes and colors.
That sounds fun.
Thank you, listener, for joining us today.
Yes, thank you.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.